Hello everyone, and today I want to talk about the spring box from Walmart. Yay, I was waiting for this since March. ah, I'm so clumsy sometimes. Okay, here we go. Here we go, Walmart. So, let's remove this and let's open this box. Whoa. Oh my god, it looks fantastic. Let's see. First, I have this milk silk moisturizer, Hydra Silk moisturizer for dry skin therapy. That's awesome because I have a dry skin, so thank you, Walmart. What else? This is a really nice color nail nail polish lacquer. I can't read that. Nail polish, which is really a nice color, I think, like pinkish metallic something. Oh, toothpaste, Colgate Optic White. That looks fantastic. My teeth will be white and shiny. So I have this flyer which to enter this like giveaway or something. Here is this flyer from Colgate that it removes the yellow stains for already 100 years. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. It's something from NYX. Oh, I think that we got, oh, that's so cool. Now we got this NYX two colors of lip cream. It's pinkish and it's brownish, and it's in this nice small box, and it's cruelty free. Thank you, NYX. It's fantastic. And the last is this shampoo and conditioner from Herbal Essence. It looks fantastic. It's quite quite juicy. I think this is it for now. I want to say one more thing before I finish my unboxing video, that all the things I'm getting, I will be cleaning. This one I will be cleaning with this special soaps and I don't know, cleansing everything to avoid spreading of the virus. So I don't know, I would recommend you to do the same. So good luck, have a nice day, and see you in our next video. Bye.